I'm Janet Zeller. This is Soilborn Farms in Rancho Cordova, California. Soilborn Farms is an urban agriculture and education project. We have a working farm. It's an education center for all ages of youth and adults. We have a kitchen. We prepare food for the community and are involved with Garden in Every School program as well.
It wasn't until I came to Soilborn Farms that I actually built a relationship with produce. We get to see produce grown from seed and then go into the ground, then come into the kitchen, and then go to the tables. We are promoting 3 of our menu items, which is a seasonal garden bowl and our seasonal frittata, as well as our Farmhouse Kitchen's signature cobbler bars. Consuming produce at peak freshness and seasonality, it's not only good for you, but it tastes amazing too. And so I think it's very inspiring for the people to eat our food and know that they can buy most of it right over there at our farm stand and take it home and try and recreate it themselves. I've had lots of people ask for our soup recipes and so they feel inspired by what we're making for sure.
This got started because we felt in order to really reconnect people where their food comes from, who grows it, we needed to bring farming back to the city. And we're just kind of creating that space for people to experience their own unique relationship and interaction with nature and the food and the people that grow it.